Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel, and yeah, I'm just doing a quick video on the 76 Nova. I just got done installing frame connector bars. They're from Competition Engineering. Yeah, they're not anything special, but they look just exactly, I don't know, like any other brand, and they're made from the same stuff. So yeah, I just installed them, and like you can barely even see them with the back end jacked up, but if I go down you can. But like, yeah, I'll take it off the jack stand so you can see how it looks later. Right now I'm gonna go over where I mounted them, and then that way you guys know what it's gonna take to install them. So okay, it mounts right onto here. This bolt wasn't meant to go there, but I just put it in myself. But I put in new body mount bushings, so basically this thing just slides into here, and then this body mount bushing just clamps down on it. But this bushing here, the bolt, it's not just a hole, like it can actually slide in and out. This black part can slide in and out. So yeah, that's why I drilled a hole and put this bolt in here, just to make sure. I mean, yeah, the body mount bushing holds it, but I decided to put this bolt in here just to make sure that there isn't any play like in here, you know. But yeah, so that's why I put that bolt in. And then in the back here, one bolt here, one bolt here. And here I actually cut a piece of this. This is the leaf spring right here. And here's the leaf spring bracket, and I cut a piece of this leaf spring bracket off. I just took an angle grinder and cut straight over. That way I was able to get the frame connector bar on a lot easier. So what I did is I stuck the front end in, and then I cut this piece off. There was literally nothing, you know, holding anything here. It just came up a little bit and then it came over. So I just cut that off. That way I stuck the front end in, and then the back end I was able to slide in. And the bolt here I didn't even have to take off. So yeah, I stuck the front end in, slid this in, and put my two bolts in. And this bolt I want to change eventually, but I'm not going to do it right now because I'm not going to be driving this car too much right now anyway. But so yeah, that's going to help a lot with the frame twisting and stuff. So got those installed. Comment below, let me know what you think about these, and you know how much they actually help when you're drag racing and stuff. But these are just dry rotted. I mean, they're like just, you know, cheap tires. So, and I want to put in traction bars in there too. That's the next step. So right now the car doesn't have too much traction anyway, so, but I wanted to put the frame bars in, traction bars, and then I want to put in a LSD too. So yeah, hopefully this video helps you out. I bought new traction or new body mount bushings for all the body mounts, but I only changed those two for right now. And these are Prothane bushings. I don't know. I mean, they look like good bushings. They're better than the factory bushings, so they should be pretty good. But yeah, let me know what you think. Just comment down below if the video helped you out. And yeah, thanks a lot, and like and subscribe. That does help a lot for the channel. So see you next time. Okay, so here's how it looks from the side, and yeah, I'm like level with the car, with the side of the car basically right now. So you can see the bar right here, and I mean, yeah, normally it wouldn't be there, so that's basically the only difference. But if I stand up, then you obviously can't see it.